Welcome to my channel. How to convert your old speaker in an audio system with Bluetooth. If by chance you are one of those who have or keep an old stereo, those when you were younger and now adults, see that you have not wasted this to free up space and maybe buy a new sound system more according to the time, which would cost undoubtedly your money. WAM stereo. While it is still preserves takes this recommendation, you can still use it and not necessarily with discs or cassettes or CDs. If not with your phone, in which without doubt you have your favorite music. Paul Coxet is a designer. So Paul is designer that is who is credited with the idea and creation of WAM, an interesting device that can be connected to a speaker in order to have a sound system with Bluetooth. But that was the first famous model of Paul that after being a successful project that received the support of hundreds by the contributors of a crowdfunding, now Paul returns with new models. It has called the WAM Stereo because, as its name suggests, it now features stereo sound plus connectivity with Bluetooth 4.0, an amplifier and a rechargeable battery that provides up to about 10 hours, which is capable of powering two speakers while with stereo sound. The basis of the new WAMP has a magnetic disc with which you can place up on the sides of the speaker. But aside, there is also the WAMP speaker which works as another speaker, but that integrates the device Bluetooth. Its manufacture consists of the wood of sustainable cultivation for the development of the housing, and electrical components were obtained from the use of electrical components recycled from other devices. The WAMP speaker allows connecting to two other speakers like the stereo version, so you can have a 3-channel audio system. Paul says that last year received more than 10,000 speakers for its artistic facilities as a way to support a campaign for waste reduction. With the successful campaign of the new WAMP, which is still in Kickstarter funding, or expected to deliver the pre-orders of WAMP according to its schedule is for the month of May of the following year. So, what price consists of these? See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.